you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So in today's video, we are outside and I'm going to be turning our basic old mailbox into a toolbox to hold my garden tools. Do you want to know how I did it? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how I took our basic old mailbox and turned it into a garden toolbox. It was literally just sitting in our garage for years. I really thought we weren't going to do anything with it. And then I thought I really wish I had something I could put just a few of the tools in so I don't have to keep going back and forth to the garage. I used to have some stuff in the garage, some stuff over by a different area, going back and forth trying to figure out where everything is. And I'm like, I like just like my main necessities in one nice convenient area. And then the mailbox popped in my head and I'm like, you know what, let's go ahead and do that. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. So if you would like to see, then here you go. Okay, so that is our old mailbox. I spray painted the top of it with something he just had in the garage because it said rust tough enamel eliminates rust, just because the front is not going to get covered, but I have a cover coming for the outside. So I just did the sides where the screws and stuff are, and the cover will cover the rest of it. And then putting it probably right about here, my level, just so I can reach in and out, and it'll just kind of be over this little area right here in the center. So I'm gonna have him install the pole, and then I can add all of my stuff in there. I went ahead and just painted the whole entire thing just because if I do take the magnetic thing off for whatever reason, at least it'll all be cohesively one color. Okay, so basically I just have the pole setting there, which is a little shorter than me. We're gonna have to hammer that like into the ground. So we actually didn't get the pole deep enough, well, as far as I kind of wanted it. I don't know if there's concrete down there. We even took out all of the rock, dug a hole, and even tried to go deeper with hammering it on top, and it would not budge. So we're gonna leave it like this. It's just a little bit wobbly, just a little, but we put these two big rocks down at the bottom just to stabilize it. You can open and close it perfectly fine. It's not really moving when you're doing that motion. I grabbed this. It's meant for like a locker you can put on the side of your refrigerator to put like dry erase markers in. I'm going to use that to put like my gloves. I put this magnetic hook on the bottom. I'm going to buy a hanging basket. Well, I did order it. It should be here in the next few days, and I can hang a basket there to harvest. And so this is what it looks like right now with just all of my tools, but I'm going to rearrange it. I'm going to order a new set of gloves and sleeves from Farmer's Defense and kind of just rearrange all of this stuff because I don't really even want to put like the shovels in here. Putting the shovels in here just makes it too crowded. So I'm going to try to just rearrange this part right here. My little basket was delivered, and then today I noticed with having two different tools, because I had another one hanging right there, it just looked a little cluttered. So I'm only gonna put the two that I actually really use. I put the other two back in the garage. I got this beautiful butterfly wind chime to hang at the back of the mailbox, and then I got this to fold my gloves up because I like to roll them up so I know when I put them in there's not going to be any bugs in my fingers. So I bought this to put in there. So let's swap this out. Let me put this down just so it can stop making noise. Well, now that it's hanging, it's still making some noise. But I did purchase another set of ladybugs. So all of like the bright red ones that you see through here, and then those bigger ones I did get, and then it came with two metal ones that I just put right there. And then I moved the sign to the front. So my little ladybug crossing. And I have them kind of coming up this big rock that's gonna stabilize the pole of the mailbox, and then going all the way over to the back and then up to the fence. And again, here is my basket that I bought for my harvest that I can just take and just put anything in, because there's times I get a whole lot of peppers and it's just, yeah. So I love this little basket, and then it can dry and it can just sit here and wait until I need it. Okay, so in here is where I'm going to put this other thing in place of this. See, hey, that basket comes in handy, and that magnet's holding it still. I'm going to stick that in like that. Again, I roll my gloves up. So that's how it will look for now. And then I just have my main two tools that I'm actually using right here in front that I can grab anytime. I do have that little rake and my shovel and then my little wind chime. And I do want to put something here, maybe garden tools or something. I don't know, or maybe I'll just leave it like this and just put like some butterflies. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll just leave it alone and not do anything. But yeah, here is how it's looking right now. And this now got delivered. So let's go ahead and get this opened. So it already has a little cutout for the flag. Okay, so for this side, I had to go up before like all of the holes and stuff like that, or else it wouldn't have lined up with this. And by putting it up higher, I now have, it's like two, if I put it where it's supposed to go, I have like this gaps. Just because, like I said, if I try to bring this down more like it kind of should be, then it crinkles that up. I just did a little slit underneath here. Let me show you. I just did a little cut here underneath, slid both magnets out, flipped the magnet themselves around, and then now I can curl this up underneath and it will stick to the mailbox. And there we go. So from this side to this side. I completely forgot to record what this looked like, or me putting the vinyl on. I just realized that, and you can definitely tell because look at how big my pepper plants are now. So it has been a few months. However, I just wanted to show you how it looks. I do have my new sleeves and glove set that I got from Farmer's Defense. If you wanted to check them out, I absolutely love the sleeves. I wear them all the time, especially even washing my car, doing anything in the garden. They protect my arms, they protect all of my ink that I paid a lot of money for, so I absolutely love them. You can use code SheCrafty to save money. But here's my new set of sleeves, and I love that this one does have a breathable under the arm area. That would be great for the garden. Plus the print is absolutely adorable. I love the teal. I just love, yeah, that print is just absolutely gorgeous. And there is a butterfly. So I got a solid green pair, and then I got a matching pair. There's a little butterfly. They have the like rubber bottoms, and then I have a matching cooling towel. So when I'm out here, especially like now it's 100 degrees, I can put nice cold water on here and work outside, put it around my neck, and it'll feel amazing. But it's the same print. It does have a little snappy snap if you wanted to snap it on something. But if you want to see the full print, that's what it looks like. So pretty. So again, I'm gonna put them inside the mailbox, but I did put all of this like bright green garden tools. I made this image on my Cricut and I put that on. It's a permanent vinyl, so I put that on there. And then on the back side, I just put one butterfly right there on the top, just for a little something something. But yeah, this is how it looks. I'm gonna put my new gloves and stuff like that in here now. So I have my 2 sets of gloves, my sleeves right in the front, my sunscreens in the back, bug sprays in the front, and yeah, that is how it looks. And I really love this design on here, and I'm using this basket all the time, so that was a great idea. And everything else is holding up amazing because now it's been a couple months and it's still going strong. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think about it? Have you ever thought to make a little toolbox or a designed little area to have a little bit of tools? Did you ever think of using a mailbox? Let me know down below. If you would like to check out other videos, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, so that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.